Officials say flood prevention work in eastern Taiwan is on schedule, with the first phase set to be done before the flood season hits in May.
但今年4月已经可以建构到第一阶段完成，为了让它更加稳固，所以我们推动高规格堤防的整体的复建，要到明年底。
Guangfu Township was inundated by flash floods that killed 19 people last September. Another embankment covering the Matai'an River's north side is set to be finished in May. Besides flood control, some vendors have also recently returned to a major local market that was destroyed by the flood.
里面的摊商大概已经有60%已经开始正常营运了，整个市场的外观还是需要有一些经费整建。那目前的话，花莲县政府计划也已经提报进来，那以目前的工程进度，大概可以在3月底完全完成。
Hundreds of local businesses have also received small subsidies and new equipment to help get them back on their feet.